Escribe con la pluma. Write with the pen. Write with the pen. Colorea con lápices. Color with colored pencils. Color with colored pencils. Juega con la pelota. Play with the ball. Play with the ball. La vela está encendida. The candle is lit. The candle is lit. Sujeta el paraguas. Hold the umbrella. Hold the umbrella. La almohada es suave. The pillow is soft. The pillow is soft. La manta es cálida. The blanket is warm. The blanket is warm. La hoja de papel. The sheet of paper. The sheet of paper. La bolsa está llena. The bag is full. The bag is full. La regla mide. The ruler measures. The ruler measures. La cucharita es pequeña. The teaspoon is small. The teaspoon is small. La corbata es elegante. The tie is elegant. The tie is elegant. La bufanda es larga. The scarf is long. The scarf is long. La cartera es práctica. The wallet is practical. The wallet is practical. La mochila es resistente. The backpack is sturdy. The backpack is sturdy. La cama es cómoda. The bed is comfortable. The bed is comfortable. El coche es veloz. The car is fast. The car is fast. La nevera está fría. The refrigerator is cold. The refrigerator is cold. El secador es potente. The hair dryer is powerful. The hair dryer is powerful. Las gafas son modernas. The glasses are stylish. The glasses are stylish. La pulsera es brillante. The bracelet is shiny. The bracelet is shiny. El anillo es dorado. The ring is golden. The ring is golden. La batería es recargable. The battery is rechargeable. The battery is rechargeable. La linterna ilumina. The flashlight illuminates. The flashlight illuminates. El sombrero es elegante. The hat is elegant. The hat is elegant. El espejo refleja. The mirror reflects. The mirror reflects.